Alright, continuing the work on the sopwork that you can see here, I've basically just modelled from a cube, as you can see by the name over this side, the top wing. And just pull it down a little there. You can see the rough shape and it gives a bit of a wireframe topology of it. I will hide the bottom wing so we don't have to look at it at this time. And the top wing, excuse me, is got two things going on. The first is the mirror modifier. So if I hide that, which duplicates one side to match the other, as you can see here, turning it off and on again. That gets the basic block shape of the wing. If you look from above, it's kind of bigger. Alright, so on top of that I've added a subsurface subdivision. What this does is it works out the joins and stuff and increases the topology to make it more detailed and smoother. So if we actually go into a solid mode, you can see how that is slightly faceted, and if we push it in terms of viewport, you get smoother and smoother and smoother until it's slightly distorted in the center but smooth everywhere else. Pulling that back to a reasonable level, what I'm going to do now is really just look at this wing and add enough topology to try and get it to fill out that full circle detail there. So, switching back to wireframe mode, I'm going to then go into object mode to edit this object and add a ring cut. What this will do is exactly what I wanted. It'll pull that topology forwards to create a better leading edge. You can see that there. The next piece I need to do is another ring cut, really just to get this thing into position, but if I look from above and do wireframe so I can actually see the detail that I want to add, I've added the loop. Now I need to do what they call an edge slide, so edge slide just to move it so it sits, and if we sit it right next to each other there, you can see the wing is a lot longer than it should be, but will not rotate, just box select, grab in the red, so that'll be X direction, and pull it back so it matches a lot closer. Now this little piece through here, you can see is not quite working the way we need it, so I'm just going to select that bit, hold down shift to select that one, and then again do an edge slide so that I can slide it back in to match that topology. And the way it's sort of warping and twisting, I can kind of, almost perfect, great. And if we add a ring cut in the center, we should be able to influence where it goes and how it deforms. No, that's not going to do it, so I'll just grab it and slide it that way a little. X direction so it stops wobbling so much. And that's looking pretty good. So if we then turn it up one more step and change from edit back into regular mode, there's a bit of a wobble through there. But as I said in class, this is the first technique to actually getting the shape of what we want. The second involves a lot more ring cuts, basically. But that's probably enough of this one for now to give you a clear idea of how to do the wing. Turning on the other one, we can see the difference between the two. And then looking from, say, the front, we get it following the topology, the shape of the schematics that we have. The bottom wing's a little thinner. And if we were to do it with the aim of actually highly detailed modelling, the goal here would be actually to add little ruts, because between this piece and the next piece is basically, it's just canvas, so there's a little bit of a dip through there on each of those wing struts. But that's far beyond the scope of what I want to do in this class and also what we're aiming to do here. Yeah, that's pretty much it.